Hi, I'm Dan Chambers, the founder of Chambers Law Firm. Thank you for visiting my website and in particular for viewing this video. In this video we're going to talk about what I call the first 48 hours, and in this case the first 48 hours of a murder or homicide charge that you or your loved one may be facing. What do I mean by the first 48 hours? Well, I'm going to break it into two different parts for you. First, I'm going to talk about the procedural aspects of being arrested and charged with a murder. And then I'm going to talk about the practical aspects that Chambers Law Firm will do for you to get on top of your case as quickly as possible and position you for the best possible outcome. What happens procedurally when you are arrested for a homicide? Well, the first thing that happens is that you will be eventually transported into the county jail system in the county that you are arrested in. The two most important things that you have to keep in mind are posting bail if you can, and two, your court date. If you remain in custody for at least 48 hours, you're going to be taken to court for your arraignment. That's where you'll be advised of the charges against you, and you'll be presented with a copy of the complaint, and your bail is going to be set. The second thing that you need to keep in mind is, what is my bail going to be? Generally speaking, in most Southern California counties, your bail is going to be, in a typical homicide, at least $1 million. The second thing you need to do is figure out, can I post the bail and who do I contact? Chambers Law Firm has relationships with several bond companies. We would put you or your loved one in touch with them immediately to go about trying to raise that bail money for you and get you out of custody. Now let's talk about the practical aspects of that first 48 hours. The very first thing that we would do is come visit you wherever you're being held in custody to get your side of the story and completely understand the facts of what really happened. The second thing that we would do would take that information and go track down all of the witnesses that may have seen or heard anything involved in that event through the private investigators that we use here at Chambers Law Firm. As part of that investigation and interview process, we would try to accumulate as much physical evidence as we can. Most likely video, audio tape, cell phone photographs, anything that these witnesses may have had in their possession, we need to get on top of immediately before that media is lost, deleted, or erased from the device that is in question. So, in the first 48 hours, there's a lot to get done, but it's important because without proper preparation and without thorough investigation, critical evidence could be lost. I hope that you found this video helpful. We always provide a free consultation. If you have any further questions or you would like to discuss any of these issues specifically, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.